Hello, here's the introduction video about DND Status Ring. The package includes 85 transparent rings, 0 packs of data stickers, a total of 26 daters, 2 tracers, and a screening core. Okay, let's show how to get the complete status ring. First, we gently remove the status sticker with tweezers, then stick it onto the ring. Just be careful, but if there is something wrong in the process, you can also adjust it by hand. Now we have finished half the status ring. The stickers are in pairs. Now we need to repeat it from the other side. So let's finish it. Okay, now we get the complete status ring. It's really a perfect DIY and it will work well in your game. No more mess.